Hi guys, so we're playing Murder Mystery 2 with Rachel Leona _A. So, let's go! We have the same, we're YouTubers, so I'm innocent. Let's go. Nito, find me. I'll find you. Where are you? Innocent ka. Okay, let's go. I don't think so. Oh, I know the killer. No. You just died. You died? You died? Yes. That's you? Oh my gosh. I don't know. There you are. I found you. Oh, you just... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, we're victory! Victory! Oh my gosh, come out. Please, I wanna be the murderer. This is dog thing. Hi guys. Seriously. Hi guys. Can you see the dog? No. Wait. Dead love you. Wait. Dead love you. Wait. Bye-bye. So let's go. Here I go. I want this. Okay. This is Rachel Leona A. Subscribe his video. Subscribe to me. Oh my god. What the heck? I'm a sheriff. Ikaw? Yeah. Oh my god. What? He's going crazy, right? Hello. So I'm innocent. So don't kill me. So I'm a sheriff. Is that you? Is that you? Yeah. Kill the fish one. Oh my gosh. Ingat dito ko. I don't know. Suspicious ka using niya. Find. Hey. Find my gun. Ako ka nang magsunod-sunod, di mo patiya, basta ito ang first. Oh, get the gun. Just get my gun. There you go. Get my gun. Get my gun. What the? Okay, good luck. Let's see. Hey, where are you? Wow, that's a good play. Nagpapatay mo puso eh. I don't know. She's the mother. Suspicious ka you. I'm winner.